Republicans in the House, they laid out their agenda today for what they would like to tackle in this year's legislative session.
Of course, at the top of the list is their biggest priority right now is a new 2-year balanced budget. Our 13 News State House reporter Emily Longnecker was at the presser today to talk about what the House Republicans say is top of mind for them.
The House Republican agenda has 8 bills in it that they call priorities. The first, as you talked about, passing a balanced budget. Another proposal that got a lot of discussion and had a lot of questions, a proposal to let some counties in Illinois become part of Indiana. House Republicans say dozens of counties in Illinois have voted in the past 4 years, saying they wanted to leave Illinois, including 7 in this past November's election. House Bill 1008 would create a commission to help those Illinois counties become Hoosiers.
It's serious because these people have already decided. They've gone on the record. They've actually taken votes, 7 just in November alone, 7 counties in November alone who said they want to be part of Indy. They want to succeed. They don't need to succeed. They just need to join us.
In order for that to happen, Illinois lawmakers would also have to sign off on it. In terms of education, House Bill 1002 would reduce state regulations on K-12 schools. One focus of that deregulation, training requirements for teachers.
We're not going to tell that at a state level saying that all of these trainings have to be done. We're going to let locals decide. There's a lot of language in code today that says things may be done. Well, if they may be done, I don't need to have it in there because they could already do it.
Lawmakers said the move is part of a 3-year project to reduce 60,000 words in Indiana code. In the area of public safety, House Bill 1006 would create a state fund to help reimburse counties up to 50% of what they spend in pay and benefits for deputy prosecutors. When asked about the need for more public defenders across the state,
we've worked really hard over the years to maintain parity between the prosecutors and the defense attorneys, and this bill will try to maintain that.
House Republicans say they also want to tackle the cost of health care in Indiana. House Bill 1004 would take a closer look at nonprofit hospitals to see if they're contributing to the high cost of health care here.
It's a conversation we need to have. If you're charging over a certain level, and we have a starting point in the bill, are you really a not-for-profit hospital anymore? Or are you a for-profit hospital?
And House Republicans say they hope to get universal school choice across the finish line this session, something that has been championed by the new governor. When it comes to property taxes, also a priority for Governor Braun. House Republicans say they're going to let the Senate deal with that first while they take care of the budget right now in this first half of session. They say they've talked to Governor Braun, though, about the numbers in the budget, and they're hoping to see some specifics sometime this week. At the State House, Emily Longnecker, 13 News.
All right, Emily, bringing it to us. On to more news now. Tonight, a bill is being considered before the state legislature that would give nearly $180,000 to certain prosecutors' offices in 2026. House Bill 1217 is aimed to allocate state funding for prosecutors whose counties have a Department of Corrections facility that houses between 100 and 1,500 offenders. It would allow those offices to appoint 1 additional deputy prosecuting attorney, and this would not go to all prosecutors' offices. This bill is now in the Courts and Criminal Code Committee.